Hi guys, mathematicians, that's me. Hi guys, right now we're going to talk about a strategy that we've been learning all year. And it's always good to revisit things that we understand. It's the make a 10. Remember when we worked on our fluency of teen numbers? When we worked on our teen numbers and using that make a 10 strategy to become fluent with subtraction, it was really important for us to get this strategy down. So let's think of a teen number. Yep, 12, 15, yep, 17, 19. What about 11? Yep, 11 is a 10, 1. So friends, those teen numbers from 11 to 19 are our teen numbers. And knowing how to subtract from them is a fluency we want to get good at. And using the make a 10 strategy is something we've learned that helps us be efficient with our math. So friends, let's look at this problem here. 15 take away 8. We know that's a teen because it has a 10 and a 5. So it's a teen number, 15. And we're going to be taking 8 from it. Now friends, some people will I'm just going to count backwards. Is that efficient? I don't think so. You might want to use other double understanding for that. That would make sense too. But today we're going to work on that make a 10 strategy. So friends, if I'm looking at 15 take away 8, first of all, it's important for me to know where they live on the math mountain. So that 15, is that the answer or is that the total? It is the total, and it always lives up here. We know 8 is the right. It's the add-in, and we're looking for, yep, the unknown add-in. You guys are getting so good at this, so I'm just going to go like that, and let's go. We know that if we have 8, how many more do we need to get to that first 10 in 15? You're smart. I just heard a 2. 2. And then how many more to get to 15? That's right. It would be a 5. And our total of adding on was 7. Friends, for parents at home, it's kind of like how we're looking at our math mountain. We go 8. We're going to add on 9, 10. We added 2 to get to that 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We can see that the total that we added on was 7. 2 here, 5 there. We're just doing it under the number. Let's look at this one. 14 take away 6 equals what unknown add-in? Friends, did you know that this 6, what do we need to add to that 10? 4. How many more to get to 14? You got it, 4 more. And our total is, stop it, you double fiends. It is 8. It's an 8 is our unknown. Last one, try this one on your own. 17 take away 9 equals what unknown add-in? While you're figuring it out, I'm going to put that math mountain together. Just so we know the importance of knowing where those numbers are. Did you guys get the answer already? Let's see. 9, I'm going to add 1 more to get to 10. 7 more to get to 17. How many of you got 8 as your answer? Awesome. That's us being fluent with subtraction with teens. Now here's a little schmicker-bicker here. Look at this. It's 13 take away what equals 7. Friends, this should not confuse you. If it does, let's remember what we know. We know our math mountain. That's a lot of power. That 13, that is always the total. It sits right here. It's 13 take away what? I got 13 donuts. Miss Tommy came over and ate some. Now I've got 7. Couldn't I rewrite this and write 13 take away 7 equals what? You betcha I can. This and this is the same thing. I can solve this way. All right? So 7 plus what gets us to 10? 3. And then 3 more gets us the 13. It's 6. So friends, to solve this problem, I can move those because I'm still looking for an add-in. My story problem would be different if I was doing this equation. But this equation serves well for the situation. This is how I solved it. So friends, at home, if you can find some small thing, I've used little game pieces, but you could even use pennies. I love this game. It's called Cover Up because you're actually going to cover up. So the very board that you can practice this work on is a board you can actually use for cover up. Or you can find a container at home that you could just be able to cover something up. So friends, I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus 3. I have a 10, 3. I have, that's right, I've got 13 pieces here. So friends, get together a teen number. I know between 11, right, all the way up to 19, because we're going to practice our fluency with this game, working within our teens. So I've got 13 here. I'm going to close my eyes, and then I'm going to have someone cover up some of them. So close your eyes. You guys close your eyes at home. I'm going to be the cover-upper, so close your eyes. Don't peek. I see you looking. Keep them closed. All right, open them. Thanks a lot for opening them. Friends, we know that we started with a total of 13. So I have 13 here. In here would be 13. Of the 13, Mrs. Sykes took some away. Now I only have 6. Could I think, what am I going to add to this 6 to get to 13 to see what's in here? I could. 6. How many more to get to the first 10? 4. And I'm at 13, so I want 3 more. How many did I add all together? Did you guys get 7? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You guys are smart. You added 4 to get to the 10, 3 more to get to the 13. Our total that was covered up was 7. This is cover up. Friends, you can have fun with this at home with anybody that wants to challenge you. The goal is to work with your teens. If you're somebody that wants to work just with your 10s, you could do it the same way. You could just use just 10 pieces, and you can have someone at home say, hey, I want to work on my 10s. Close your eyes. Someone covers some up at home. Open your eyes. I see 4 out. What is the partner for that 10? I'm at 4. Whatever underneath here gets me to 10. If you said 6, that's because you know your 10 facts. If you're someone that's like, that's okay. This might be a great game to practicing also with your 10s. Yep, there were 6 underneath there. You guys have a great day. Mathematicians, that's me. See you later.